Welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to be back. I did this bomb look for you guys. This was just super fun to do. If you continue to watch this video, you'll see a product that I randomly came across in my kit, and I was like, okay, this is what I'm gonna use today. And bam, this is what I got. So I'm loving this look. It's fun. It's fun to wear, fun to go out in. Rock this look with whatever accessories, with your hair poof if you got your natural hair poof going on. My husband recently bought me hoop earrings, so I'm gonna be wearing hoop earrings forever. He got me a couple of pair, but anyways, continue to watch, and I hope you enjoy this look. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel because I will continue to make videos for you ladies. And thank you for watching. Continue. So I'm going in with Bodyography setting spray, and of course I'm going to spray that all over my face before I start my makeup just to give it some moisture. And as you see right here, I was about to do my eyebrows, but I saw that it needed to be cleaned up a bit, so I just started tweezing it and cleaning it up, and then I went in and filled it in with my brown brow powder. I have my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Natural, and I'm going to use that to clean up my brows and also use it as a base for my eyeshadow. So I have my Sigma F75 concealer brush, and I'm just using that to clean up and blend in the concealer. Exactly what it's made for. I wanted to show that I also use my fingers to warm up my concealer. It just makes it easier to blend. So if you don't have a concealer brush, use your fingers. Moving on, I'm going in with a medium angled shading brush from Sigma Beauty. It's E70, and I'm using that purple, and I'm putting that as my transition color. Now I'm just going in with a blending brush. This one is from Sephora, and I'm just blending in that purple. Now I'm taking that darker purple and I'm putting that right in my crease. As you see, I'm just moving that color back and forth. I'm back in with the blending brush, and I'm just going to blend those two colors together. I'm using the E21 brush from Sigma Beauty, and I'm going in with my Makeup Forever palette, and I'm using the color ME512, and I'm using that as the highlight for my brow bone. I'm back using the Makeup Forever palette, and I'm using that dark purple in the color S924, and as you see, I'm going to put that in my outer corner and my inner corner as well. I forgot to mention that I am using as well with this look my Morphe Brushes 35B palette. So that's the other palette that I'm going back and forth with. So this next brush doesn't have a name on it. It's one of the bargain brushes I had made a video on. But anyways, I'm going in with that purple sparkly color, and I'm going to put that right in the center of my lid. So as you see, I'm literally packing on the purple sparkly color on the center of my lid. I'm just putting it on. I'm even using my fingers to apply it. And I'm going to continue to do that. I'm going to blend it out with a blending brush. And then I'm going to go back in with my Makeup Forever palette, the same color that I used on my brow bone. And I'm going to put that right in the center of my lid, right on top of that purple sparkly color. Then I'm going to go back in with the Morphe brushes and use the same purple sparkly color, but this time I'm spraying my brush with my setting spray, and I'm putting that right again the center of my lid. So I'm cleaning up my fallout with a paper towel, but this next gem I randomly found in my makeup kit. It's clown makeup, and I saw it and I was like, I'm gonna do something with it. So I got my angled liner brush from Masika Beauty. It's E100. I took that blue and then that started the whole electric blue eyeliner and the whole peacock vibe for this makeup. So the clown makeup, the plus is that it is super smooth and glides super nicely. Like, that is easy peasy perfect. The negative is that it smudges super easily. So it was like all over my fingers and my hands, but that's okay. Whatever you use for a liner, try to get it as perfect as possible, but we're gonna go back in and clean it up anyway, so just try to get your base as crisp as possible. I was so gassed when I saw the blue eyeliner. I loved it. So I'm going in with my Sephora eyeliner gel brush, number 26, and I'm using that blue from my Morphe brushes, and I'm literally gonna set the blue liner. Like the blue clown makeup, I'm setting that with my eyeshadow, and it's a sparkly eyeshadow, so it really popped. So this is what I was talking about. The blue clown makeup, it's very easy to smudge. Before, my line was super perfect and then it kind of smudged. So I took the eyeshadow, which it's a very easy fix, and I just dragged it out. So basically I made it crisp again. But whatever you use, maybe it's something that dries matte, but you can always fix it with the shadow that you're gonna set it with. I'm going in with my Sigma Beauty E32 brush, and I'm using that to put in my blue under eye shadow, and I'm going to take the blending brush and blend it out. I'm putting some highlighter for my inner corner of my eye. I'm going in with Urban Decay lipstick. It's called Matte 1993. And it's such a pretty brown color. I loved it for this look. So it didn't wash out my lips. It gave it enough color, and it didn't take away from my eyes, which I really wanted to stand out. Of course, that's the focus of this makeup. I did put on lashes and mascara for this look off camera. This is how it came out, and this is it all put together: hair, makeup, accessories, everything. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it was easy to understand and pretty clear and precise on what to do. If this is something that you would do and take a chance on doing, please make sure you hashtag me on Instagram, Pinklovesparkle, and I would love to see it. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to this channel so when I come out with new videos, you get the little ding. And I'm loving this look. So anyways, thank you again for watching, and I hope to see you soon in the next video. Bye. Take care.